We work closely with David and his team at Inspectcheck to make the Majordomo integration as seamless as possible. As an affiliate, you are simply including a Majordomo flyer with your home inspection, which helps your client have clear direction after you are done and to help them get local, accurate repair estimates. You will decide the price they pay for their Domo report, and when they order, you can earn a commission based on that price. The integration with Inspectcheck makes this super simple. Let's take a look at how simple it is to integrate with Majordomo within your Inspectcheck software. First, go to inspectcheck.net, which we have on the screen now, and log into your account. This will take you to your dashboard. Here, click on Company Settings in the upper right corner. This will take you to your company details. At the bottom of the page, you will see Majordomo account information. To complete the integration, you will need to click the box and add an account key number. To get this account key, you need to establish your Majordomo affiliate account. To become a Majordomo affiliate, click on the green Majordomo. This will take you to our affiliate page where you can learn more about the program. To join, click on the yellow button labeled Join the Affiliate Program. This will take you to a page where you will establish your account. To establish your account, first you will need to enter your name, company phone, email, and password. You will then click the boxes agreeing to the terms of service and continue scrolling down. As part of being an affiliate, we create a custom Majordomo affiliate landing page for you. To make it look great, you can upload your company logo and company photo. For your company photo, we encourage a photo of you, your team, or whatever best represents your business. The final step on this page is to enter your company name, website, choose which color you would like for your Majordomo flyer that will be attached to your inspection. It can be blue and gold, green and blue, or red and gold. Finally, choose the price. This will show up on your custom flyer and landing page. Finally, click Save and continue to payout details. The next step requires you to establish your payout information securely through Stripe. This allows us to pay you your commission when your client places an order. You will need your cell phone number and your bank account information or Visa debit card. When you have finished entering the required information, you'll be redirected back to your Majordomo settings page. When you return to your Majordomo settings page, you will see your Majordomo affiliate ID right under your team photo. All you need to do is copy that ID, then return to your company settings page at Inspectcheck and paste that ID where you see account key. Then click Save and you're done. Going forward, each of your inspections will include your Majordomo flyer as the last page of your home inspection. Let's take a look. Here's an inspection with the integration complete. At the bottom of your table of contents, you will see Get Repair Estimates. Click on that and you will be taken to the last page of your home inspection where you will find the Majordomo flyer with the price you specified. If your client would like to learn more or place an order, they will click on the link at the bottom of the page. That link is specific to your company. When they click, they will be taken to your specific landing page. You can see here why the company photo and logo you uploaded earlier are important. This page is custom for you. On this landing page, your client will learn more about Majordomo and can place an order. When they place an order, they will be taken to our order page. Because of your integration, your client has the ability to give authorization for Majordomo to securely attach a PDF of their home inspection directly from Inspectcheck. This happens through the yellow box you see on the screen. This makes the order process super smooth for them, as they don't need to upload their PDF. Then they complete their order information and submit. We'll deliver their Domo report directly to them within 24 hours. That is how easy this process is to become a Majordomo affiliate, integrate with your Inspectcheck software, help your clients have a clear direction, and negotiate smarter after their home inspection, all while growing your business at the same time.